got this hooked up. I've got this separate part here that I hook this into. When I'm finished using it, I unhook it. But I'm still going to use it on the back tire, so I'm hooking it back up. This here, it's not hooked up to the motorcycle, it hooks up in here. But this box here runs through a hole that I have drilled in here and runs to the battery. But this here's not hooked to nothing. I'll put the lighter back in it when I'm not using it. When I unhook this, I'll put this back in it. I got a box in here to protect it and a hole cut in the box for the little cord, because sometimes the seal is messing up. Sometimes if it rains extremely hard, a little bit of water gets in there, but not much. I didn't video that strap that much.
Because it's nasty. The last time.